Kilo Juliet Romeo Bravo 900 feet. Request flight following.
50, rain. Too low, terrain.
FUS 112 New York approach. Squawk 0064.
Terrain. Too low, terrain. Too low.
Squawk 0064 FUS 112 tree.
Terrain. Too low, terrain.
FUS 112 tree radar. Contact 1 miles east of Kilo Juliet Romeo Bravo 300 feet. Altimeter 29.902.
Terrain. Too low, terrain.
Roger FUS 112 tree.
Terrain. Too low, terrain.
New York approach FUS 112 tree.
Too low, terrain.
Request clearance to transition Bravo airspace.
Terrain. Too low.
FUS 112 New York approach. Cleared through the Bravo airspace.
Too low, terrain. Too low, terrain.
Cleared through Bravo airspace FUS 112 tree.
Terrain. Too low, terrain.